The dancers sway and spin, stepping softly across the ground, lost in a transcendental experience in which they adore and identify with their beloved Radha and Krishna. A Ras in Manipur starts at midnight and goes on till dawn. So here we will present only a tiny sequence. You will see Lord Krishna as he awakens in the light of the full moon. He remembers his appointment to meet his beloved Radha and her companions. He hears the music of the flute, but cannot find from which direction the sound comes. At last, Krishna joins his devoted lover, and all dance joyfully. The maidens offer flower garlands and worship the reunited deities with sacred